200 BCE, the invention of millstone. Before modern machines took over, there were old-age flour mills, quiet, steady, and full of history. These mills weren't just used to grind grain, they were the centre of village life. People gathered, shared stories, and worked together as the stones slowly turned wheat into fresh flour. Information of old-age flour mills. Old-age flour mills were traditional machines used long before modern technology existed. These mills usually stood near rivers or open fields, and they worked without electricity. Instead, they used natural power, such as flowing water or strong wind. The most important part of an old flour mill was the pair of large millstones. One stone stayed still, while the other one rotated. When wheat was poured between the two stones, it slowly turned into soft flour. This process was not fast, but it produced fresh and natural flour that people used for daily food. In the past, flour mills were an important place for the whole community. Villagers often came with bags of wheat, waited for their turn, and talked with each other. The mill was not just a workplace, it was also a gathering spot where people shared news and stories. The miller, who operated the mill, had a special skill. He had to carefully adjust the stones, check the gears, and control the water or wind power. If the stones were too close, the flour would burn. If they were too far apart, the flour would be too rough. A good miller always made sure the flour was perfect. Today, modern factories produce flour very quickly with large electric machines. Although these machines are fast and efficient, the old-age flour mills remind us of a simpler time. They show us how people worked with nature and used their own hands and knowledge to make food. Even though old mills are rare now, their history and importance will always be remembered. They are a beautiful part of our heritage and a symbol of traditional craftsmanship.
Benefits of old-age flour mills. Old-age flour mills had many natural and health benefits. They produced flour slowly, which helped keep the wheat's nutrients, fiber, and taste. Because the grinding stones did not heat up, the flour stayed fresh and pure. These mills also used clean energy like water and wind, so they did not cause pollution. They were affordable for villagers and created a strong sense of community, as people gathered at the mill and supported each other. Overall, old flour mills provided healthy flour, clean energy, and social connection.